Today's video, we're going to go over how to make this in the hoop dragon mask. This one measures 7.7 inches in width and then 6.5 inches in height. I'm going to be using 2 sheets of the tear-weight stabilizer for this project, and we're going to start with our first placement stitch. I'm going to be using felt fabric for our first fabric placement. So I'm going to place it on top, start the machine again, that way I can tack it down. For the second fabric placement, I'm going to be using white felt for the horns of the dragon. I'm going to place the fabric pieces on top, start the machine again, have it tack it down, and then afterwards we're going to cut and remove the extra fabric around it. For our third fabric placement, I'm going to be using this holographic faux leather fabric. I found these sheets on Amazon. I will link this one down below. It has this kind of scale effect on it. I thought it was pretty cool. And so I'm going to place it on top, start the machine again, tack it down, and then we'll cut and remove the extra fabric around it. For the final fabric placement, which are these 2 sections, I'm going to be using this faux leather material. Again, we're going to place it on top, start the machine again, have it tack it down, and then we'll cut and remove the extra fabric around it. That's pretty much it when it comes to layering the fabric. Now we're going to let the machine run, create all the details on the dragon mask, and then I'll be back once we're ready to add the fabric that goes on the back of the hoop. Here it is, all done. It looks so pretty. Now we're going to flip it to the back and grab another piece of felt fabric. We're going to place it on top. You can either use some basting adhesive or tape to hold it in place. We're going to start the machine again and have it create the final stitches, connecting the top and bottom together. And here it is, all done. Let's go ahead and remove it from the hoop and cut it out. That's pretty much it. This is how you make this in the hoop dragon mask. I will link the file down below in case you guys want to check it out and make it yourselves. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.